The following Mario Kart 8 Deluxe items will not make you invincible, is it? A. Golden mushroom. B. Boo. C. Bullet bill. Or D. Star. The answer is A. Golden mushroom. Which of the following presidents is not on Mount Rushmore, is it? A. John F. Kennedy. B. Theodore Roosevelt. C. Abraham Lincoln. Or D. Thomas Jefferson. The answer is A. John F. Kennedy. What is the capital of Mauritius? Is it A. Port Moresby. B. Port Louis. C. Port Vila. Or D. Port-au-Prince. The answer is B. Port Louis. What is the full name of the footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo, is it? A. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. B. Cristiano Luis Armando Ronaldo. C. Cristiano Ronaldo Los Santos Diego. Or D. Cristiano Armando Diego Ronaldo. The answer is A. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. How many officially recognized dwarf planets in the solar system are named after Polynesian deities, is it? A. 0. B. 2. C. 1. Or D. 5. The answer is B. 2. What year did the Chevrolet LUV mini truck make its debut, is it? A. 1973. B. 1982. C. 1972. Or D. 1975. The answer is C. 1972.